Hello and welcome to a quick video on the smart visual doorbell. Here, and there's the receiver. Okay, now I've obviously wedged it in the bracket for this. It's a nice quick pick up on the video display, and very fast as well, which is not what you get with a Ring doorbell. To talk on it, you hold that, and then you can hear them talking from the outside, and to reply you press that once they've finished. Sorry, I'm getting a bit of feedback on the video. Let's just shut that up. Okay, and then you do that to hang up. It'll go back to reset, and to have a look outside, if you wanted to view, you just long press that button and you can see what's going on for 30 seconds and all the people walking past. All in all, it's a good little doorbell, no Wi-Fi or anything, and pretty good range as well. I haven't obviously fitted it yet because it's going at my caravan. So yeah, all in all, a decent little doorbell for not a lot of money. Thank you.